Girl, my tell you say full time you left the boy. You could have never there with this boy. But I love him. Love? What is love?
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
Bototo, Bush, Yaksa Sada.
Baby, can you hold it out till we reach one day? And the money not run right now, one time me get paid. Walk on. You good?
You know it's the boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, go on. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So today is the 4th of January 2020. I'm sure I just said 2020. Yeah, that's the proper way to do it. So some of the topics some more have to talk about today is Jamaican artist Flourgon win over $40 billion on a lawsuit against Miley Cyrus. So we are going to talk about that. Teejay getting a some tussle, getting a brawl with a fan over a comment. Definitely I'm going to talk about that. We still are going to talk about the war memes them, the World War III memes them. We are go in a little bit another something them because Dovey Magnum actually have a family where I go to war. You see me? So shit actually I get real. But first, before we talk about the whole of that, we have to talk about that dancehall artist here by the name of Jevvo and his new song when name Wall It Out. People, the song bother hit me intro. And we are going to talk about that song right now. Because this is sometime them woman make them friend lead them astray. And make them friend give them man after them have them good man a yard. We are mine and take care of them. You see me? Enough for them girl can't hold it out. So me ask the viewers them and the female viewers them. Can you hold it out?
Baby, can you hold it out till we reach one day? And the money not run right now, one time me get paid. So girl, can you hold it out? Can you hold it out? Girl, can you hold it out? You better hold it out.
So as we just talked earlier on about World War III or what I go on. You see me? We say a portion of soldier I get deployed in the Middle East. You see me? And them I left some wife a yard. I mean no see a back of them soldier there I go forward back from war and she say them wife pregnant and them breed her. Because some of them girl them can't hold out yo. Some of them girl them man gone, them man get locked away for all a 2 months. You see me, them man gone a foreign for all 3 weeks. And when you see a different man a moving and you have one next set of girl them, you see me, where it's like them a struggle with them man. Them man a go through thick and thin. And them can't hold out. And you know why hottest thing? Some of them go so booms and see a little one man a drive one little one Benz. This them man for the Benz man. You see me? And then later on them find out that the Benz man no want them. But sometime when they find out that the Benz man no want to know, it's too late. And them time the only man start progress. Probably when the man will buy a bigger Benz than where the original Benz man have. But you know if you learn for hold it out.
It's a good man not to find. Sometimes you have to sacrifice. If me get charged to rob a bank, would you still be there by my side? Just a try for make ends meet. Nail polish on your left feet. I really need your love now. Tell me if my have to drive a Benz seat.
But pan a big man level still Jevvo. When you really pre the levels, you know, the girl would have must have a cut in a dog. Because me no know no girl who want only nail polish on them left foot alone.
Nail polish on your left feet.
What about the other foot?
Nail polish on your left feet.
So that is Jevvo hold it out. People, may I go put the link in the comment section or put it in the description. So just look somewhere about. You go see the link, click the link, go over there. You see me comment in the comment section. Let him know say a Chaddy Murray TV send you over there. People, it's a pretty good song. So go and go check it out. Alright?
We run things don't run away. Anything we done it off it done properly. You know.
So Flourgon, I show him actually run things and things don't run him. after winning a lawsuit against Miley Cyrus and the entire Sony Corporation. Yo, me I telling the people, this is a big win for not just Flourgon, you know, but this is a big win for dancehall and Jamaican music in total. Because what you know, a portion of a tune, them people are splice up, you see me, use some little words, use some little beat out of the song them, and the artists them always not get no money, not get no credit, not get nothing at all for the sampling them. So right now, we see this Flourgon can prove say we indeed can get one little dividends off of the song them, off of the little words, the little phrase them. And this is not just a dividend in a small dividend. It's alleged that it's $300 million the settlement come to, and that is equivalent to like 40 billion Jamaican dollar. People, Flourgon rich.
We run things no run away. Anything we done, it have been done properly. You know.
So even though it's alleged that the settlement came to $300 million, the lawyer them take 55% out of that. Yo, people, how do you think about that fee there? You feel like, say, yo, them should have take 55% or them should have just cut it 50-50? Wanna tell me what you think about that in the comment section.
Cause them will tell you them real. Quick for salute for me. Big up the day one brother, them will hold it out pan the back her feet. You can't tell me what to do yet. Cause you don't know hungry feel. Frost, yo, my brother them real. He look like say no good friend no day again. Where them for come from? Fucking idiot, yo.
So Teejay post that a cappella of his new song entitled Day One. You see me? Same post it, and this person out of nowhere come comment under the man post, you know, and say, shit belly, you have no image. Alkaline soon flap yo. Who tell the hombres if he post that? So up top boss reply and say, go poke pan a man and suck out the infection in your mama kitty. Body suck kitty fish. A new year now. Stop comment on my page, youth. From last year, me I watch you, I do it. And now say a thing, me will mark your face and chop you in a it, youth. No go suck your mama sissy, youth. 14 times, 15 times, 16 times, 1,134 times. Based on the grammatical error them in that post, them you can see say Teejay real upset. Teejay get dark. But people, on a big man level, Teejay is an artist, but Teejay is still human. So we think about Teejay threatening remarks. Because basically I threaten youth, so you know. Teejay tell the youth say he will mark him face, and when him see my road, he will chop him in night. You feel if you're a dancehall artist and you know how your fans them stay, you know the dancehall fans them uploaded. You feel like say that are the correct thing, that are the correct way if you conduct yourself on social media. Me no know, like all of them time here, me see artists and fans are artists and people in a war over comment section or under the comment section. Me never really see it get to that point yet where somebody a say, yo, me mark your face and chop you, and me mark your face and shot you, or something like that. You see me? Me personally think say Teejay could have try and conduct himself a little better. No say him a public figure and them thing there. You see me? Teejay could have blocked him. Cause Teejay, see from last year, I watch him comment things after him page, saying was some premeditation shit that. You see me, Teejay could have blocked him, Teejay could have delete the comment, a portion of things Teejay could have do, but him choose to threaten him and tell him saying we chop him in his face when him see it. Now people, I just left it right there, so uno tell me wanna think in the comment section below. By the way, him literally could have just do like what Shensi do me and just block him.
Stop. Oh, what I'm feeling. I love the feeling.
So remember earlier on in the video, me telling you said Dovey Magnum sister I go leave for go war. You see me, and it kinda rough. So Dovey Magnum post the pic you're seeing now on the left, and she captioned it by saying, "I salute you, my sister. As your big sister, I love you so much. My real Jamaican bad girl. The second of 5 from my mom. I really admire you and your strength. Prayers to you and your troops, your husband and friends, my hero." And she tagged her night. And I guess this was just a repost because it looked like say her sister did originally post this. If I say it. These war memes are all fun and jokes until you have a friend or family member leaving for war. Praying for all 7,000 soldiers leaving, and I'm also praying for the people in Iran. And people, this is no joke, you know. No joke. Me nah go around the thing, you know. Some of them war meme are funny as hell. Before reading this post, I was going to share some of the war meme them. Me would download them and say me I go share them in another video here, but on a big man level problem I share them in our next video. You see me? Because after reading the status here, yo, it kind of one way, you see me? And me I look back in myself, I say me have friends, family members so who serve, and actually I am on a military base. Me telling you that over and over, you see me? So me dep on a military base same way. I am not in the military, but me work on a military base. And yo, shit get real. Anything can happen, you see me? So just go and pray for the soldier them. But me I go leave on with this video when me see a circulate. Get it off a shared room. You see me? So literally after me I finish edit up this video here, me get to understand say one of the close community member them, Angeli, our cousin, gone out in the war. You see me get deployed. You see it? So him that on the screen I see right now. Just want you keep him in your prayers. You see me? All of the soldier them in your prayers and all these things. You see me? Pray for everybody forward back safe and no war no go on or nothing like that. You see me? Until next time, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And if you like this video, don't hesitate to leave a like on the video or comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. By the way, share the video with a friend. Alright, tag a friend tonight somewhere, make somebody else see the video. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out. A one way, any other way, or the wrong way.
Hey man, I understand that I'm in a goof ass generation, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, a lot of I post hilarious or whatever, but I gotta understand, man. Somebody like me that been out here since November, in the middle of the I mean, if y'all can sit there and post on memes and stuff, y'all can sit there and post a good little meme about being positive for us or damn praying for us. Man, come on, man. Like, my generation gotta tighten up sometime. It's like, bro, we really going through, and a lot of us, bro, we really not coming back. So, like, a prayer or a simple good luck can help. I mean, y'all can post that shit too, you feel me? You know, you gotta be something funny about it. And to the Fort Bragg soldiers that coming out here, man. Hey, man, I salute y'all, man. I'm gonna be here for y'all. I'm gonna be here with y'all. So,